व्हीकल्स ज्यो स्क्रॅप जाला सदांच तश्योच पडना असो काय हॉस्पिटलांच्या
there's a procedure to have it to the PWD and also we already have about 54 vehicles now. We are running short of about 22 vehicles. I have requested Chief that he will consider it positive, and we want to see that Goa's timeline to actually reach out to the patient. Many times they reach on time. It should be not more than 7 to 8 minutes. That's the distribution that you should have. And we more or less to our thing we know, but certain things like fatal accidents you cannot predict where it is going to happen. So all these things are procedural issues which I cannot do anything. I have to follow that procedure which is laid down. If tomorrow they ask us to put an ad in the paper and auction it, then I can do it immediately. But if there is a procedure laid down by PW, then that's the thing I can do.